Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are celebrating our new release from Trinity Stamps. You can see the cute card that I will be creating today. You can see this is a little pop-up mechanism on the inside of this cute card. So let's dive into it. So the new die set that I will be using today, it's called This Calls for a Toast, and it's just the most adorable little thing I've seen in a while. I really liked it, and it's these punny sentiments. And if you know me, you know that I have sometimes a hard time with the punny sentiments in English, since my first language is Swedish. But these were super cute and adorable, and I just got them. So I had a blast creating with these, and I hope I didn't mess them up, but I don't think I did. So you can see I took some double-sided adhesive that is available, I think, still at Trinity's website. I will have them listed down below if they are. And I cut mine slightly too small, so I decided to go ahead and just use liquid adhesive instead of cutting a new panel. And you could also see me cut all of these tiny strips of cardstock. These are all from my scraps. So you can see they are in different lengths, and some of them I also purposely cut in different widths. But the majority of them are in the same width, so that they look cohesive. But some of them are a little bit more narrow. And I just went the rainbow order here and just used my finger to press them closely together. And then when I had all of those covered, I also used the coordinating die. I didn't show that, but you will see them here in a second. And cut out the base. You can see how cute they are. They would be cute just like this, but I decided to use the stamp set here together with my cut out pieces. You can see I have a sticky grid mat in the back, but it didn't do it did a good job for one of them, but for the other one I needed to go back with some temporary adhesive to the back just to make it stick onto my background. So you can see here I have them like this, and I will go in and use some black ink. I'm just making sure that I have aligned these to the best of my ability. It wasn't perfect, I will admit that. You can see the toast especially the toast, it's more to one side than the other, but I did my best. You could have done a guide, but I was lazy. You know how it is. You just want it to work out in one go. So I used my little die cutting machine here and just run the sentiment through the machine. This also comes with the coordinating dies for this set, which is fantastic. And when I was done with this, I will take a minute here and start creating my front piece, because the letters that I just cut will be on the inside. So you can see I cut a bunch of stars. They are from the emergency card kit, the emergency card essential die set number 2. And I will also cut a vellum circle here. It's from the essential die set number 1. So I will have all of these cut out. They probably, you can see it up into the right corner here, my little vellum circle. And the stars I cut are cut out of some glitter cardstock, and I'm just using liquid glue to attach them to my panel. To create some interest here, I am just taking some foam to raise my image up, and I will have foam between the circle and the background as well. And I also hope that you can see that I cut a panel on top of that I will have on top of my card base here. The card base is white, and then I have a cream colored card stock on top just to create some dimension, and I really like how that turned out. And the little smiley faces, I haven't talked about those, but they also come in this stamp set. Super cute, I just love it. And the sentiment congratulations also comes from this set, so just adorable. I love how this turned out. There is a ton of sentiments in this set, but yeah, you can really mix and match them. I just thought congratulations would go nicely with the sentiment on the inside. So you can see I cut a strip of paper. It just had to be smaller than my image, and I just creased it with my fingers on the half and then half again, and then I will attach this to the inside. It's super easy to do. I will just tell you which part here I'm gonna take adhesive to, so I don't take adhesive between or further than the score line. And you can see after this has dried, I have my little mechanism ready to go. So that is super easy. It doesn't take any time at all. It just has to be a little bit smaller than my piece that I will have here popping up. So I will have my little toast here, super adorable, and then it will say a toast to you. And I cut this really sturdy plastic. It's actually recycled plastic that I had in a bin here in my house. I will take it out later, that bin, but you know how it is building up on you when you are recycling. And yeah, until I get that out of the house, I have a ton of plastic, and I'm so happy when I can find a piece that I can use for my projects. So you can see I'm taking some adhesive to the back of all of these, and then I'm creating this floating part. Originally I thought I will be having 4, but I decided against it, and I will only have 2, and the lower part of this will actually have the sentiment on top of it, you will see here. So a toast and then to you, and I decided it's too much. I can take this one away and I can put it on top of that one. So a toast to you, it will say. So that is really the card for today, and this video is a part of a video hop celebrating this amazing release. So I hope that you will check out the rest of the videos. They are listed in a playlist down below, so you can go and find all of the videos. There is gift certificates to be won, and please go and check out the release. And also there's an Instagram hop I wanted to tell you about that I also am participating in. So go check all of that out. It's a really fun release, and I think it would work really great all year round. It's not too Valentine's-y, and I just love it. I hope you will enjoy it, and thank you so much for sticking by to the end of this video. It really means a lot. And if you would subscribe to my channel or just leave a comment, thank you. It really means a lot to me. So I hope to see you soon, and thank you again. Bye.